Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taiwo Love. I wanted to come here really quick video on how I restore my curls. So let's just fix this light for a little bit. Got it. So in this video, it's pretty simple, straight to the point. I just put some warm up the water to make sure it's like really nice and hot, and then I pull my conditioner inside, spray it up, add some oil into my hair and spray it and detangle it. Then I use my blow dryer diffuser to diffuse my hair. It wasn't dry 100%, but it's just like mostly to like 70%, and then I let the rest hair dry itself out. Yeah, you can see the big difference from the first part that I did to the other side. It's just really dry and poofy. Sometimes I like wearing it poofy like that, but this time it was really dry and tangled up in the back, so I needed to spray it with some conditioner and be good, because I love me some curly hair, but when you wear that curly hair, you want it to be fly and not like nasty looking. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will try to do more tips like this more often as much as I can. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.
Take your time, ride it smooth. Like tree root, so it not shake nor move. Last night, I can't forget what happened last night. Stuck in my memories, oh God. Yeah, you're too bad. Have the New York youth a flying, I know from abroad. Just because you're young. Take your time, ride it smooth. So it rub like tree root, so it not shake nor move. So you don't want me no. Take your time, ride it smooth. Rub like tree root, so it not shake nor move. Last night.
Ooh, tell me what I could do. This ain't what it's supposed to be. I don't wanna drop it now, but you ain't up under me. And tell me what I can say to make it feel right with you. Cause you got a lot of love, and I got some things to do, and I'm just a woman in love. Never thought it could feel like this. All I need is a late night call. Got me running right, baby, baby. I don't wanna get over you, I just wanna offer it now. All day, all night. You got some nerve playing with fire. You don't realize that I'm on my way for your satisfaction. Caught in bad habits, call me an addict, but I need your satisfaction. You get that kind of something, fuck is good and make me run my mouth. Run my mouth. Run my mouth. I try to let you go, I can't because I'm too caught up. Yeah, it's because you keep calling me, all up all over me. I get stuck inside these walls that you build. All day, all night. You got some nerve playing with fire. You don't realize that I'm on my way for your satisfaction. Caught in bad habits, call me an addict, but I need your satisfaction. You get that kind of something, fuck is good and make me run my mouth. Run my mouth. Run got that kind of something, fuck, it's good, it made me run my mouth.